Yeah. Start up? Okay. So guys, you know right, her name is Harsha Sri. She is from December 22nd batch and she got a job in PSR Tech Hub, one of our client with 3.6 LPA. Congratulate her once again. Where is the bouquet? Sorry, I will edit it. Okay, congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and she is from non-IT background and she had a career gap also. And there is a wonderful story also. Before coming here, she has her own institute also. But there is a wonderful story, and literally everyone should inspire from her, especially women. Okay, so she can tell her success story in her words. Yeah, ma, this session belongs to you. Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, thank you for everyone. I especially want to thank Ramesh sir and the whole tech team of TBN and Vivek, Pallavi Akka, Deepika, Jyoti, Muskan and everyone. They supported me a lot. Like if I am not sure about the subject, Vivek, Jyoti, Pallavi Akka, they use it to explain more than n times. Like if I am not getting to get, again if I ask also, they are not even hesitating, like very patient. Everyone are very patient to explain whatever I'm asking. I'm very thankful for everyone, first of all. Because of them only I came this way. Without their guidance and without their time dedicated to me and everyone, this would not be happen. And first of all, I would really thank you, sir. And I have learned many more courses before I came to TBN. I did cyber security, I did VAPT and ServiceNow, and also SAP. Anything did not get me into the job. I tried a lot. Nearly for 1.6 years, I have given 30 to 25 interviews, but finally I did not get any offer letter. Everything was in hold. Then my brother suggested that he was seeing in YouTube, he saw about TBN networks, and he said at May, I think so, he said that once you go, you talk to the sir. Once you get to talk to him, you get to know that whether it would be happen or it would help you. He is the main reason to why I got into TBN networks.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your brother name?
Subbu.
Subbu, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
My brother Subbu, he only suggested. He was telling me from the May. Then finally I got on December. I personally
Why you
came.
took 6 months?
I was doing SAP, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I did SAP. I tried for 2 months. I did not get any calls. So then I thought of giving up everything. I have no clue also that whether I will get the job or not. Like this will be the gap will be more. So then I came on December 1st week. You took demo in offline in previous branch. Then I came and I met sir and I talked everything. I said about everything. I previously worked in Infosys. Later I have nearly 2 years gap. Having a good background of like a career in first MNC, there will be no easy opportunities to get again job in another companies. If you have a good background also, market is very tough to get into jobs. So I came, I talked to sir, I talked with the sir, and I explained everything about myself. And then the next day I joined TBN. I have worked for I did everything. I went to the classes. If I'm not understanding everything, I came in person and I practiced the labs. Padma, Ravali, they were the first batch who are there here. They helped me a lot. And later I tried many interviews. Satya sir, I really forgot about Satya Annaya. He's the main reason I went to that PSR Tech Hub. He called me and said that we have an opportunity, will you go or not? Then I went, they took interview.
What kind of questions they asked?
They asked the basic networking, sir. Later they asked about STP, RSTP, VLANs. How do you configure the VLANs? How do you do STP, RSTP? And also difference between static and default routing and IP addresses, classes of the IP addresses, and these are the questions they asked. They did not ask any scenarios, like they asked the troubleshooting issues. How do you deal with the troubleshooting issues? They asked, that's it. And I did my interview. Later they called for HR round. I went to HR round. They said that ma'am was not available. You can connect online. We'll connect online. They said so. Later HR interview was also completed. They kept me in hold for 1.5 months nearly.
1.5 month.
1.5 months.
Yeah.
Again later I have been following up them. Then again I got a call like once you can visit the office. Again they took one online interview.
Again even
Online
after
interview. Fully CCNA.
Okay, complete CCNA.
Complete CCNA.
What they asked again?
Same questions, but different things. Like for what we use OSPF and all. What are the OSPF adjacency states and everything.
Okay. So
Everything.
whatever we discuss, everything.
Everything.
So anything you feel difficult during interview?
No, sir. If we listen your classes, then nothing would be difficult. Sir.
Okay.
Actually, before joining only, I have seen all your YouTube interviews,
Mock interviews,
mock
okay.
interviews, and also about basic things like DNS, DHCP.
Okay.
That also I have
So
seen
you
in
did
your.
some research before.
Yeah,
joining.
yes, sir.
Right.
When was my brother was forcing me once you'd see, check the profile. Then I got to see everything.
Okay.
And after classes also, that YouTube videos are in Telugu language.
Yeah.
And they are very nice to
Okay.
get understand and all. So that also I have listened. After that interview also, they kept me in hold. They asked me to submit documents. I shared every documents. Again after that also, 1 week to 10 days they kept me in hold only. Again I got a call like we want to call you, can you come here if you are available? Then I went to the office. Again the CEO took interview.
Okay. PSR Tech CV.
Yes sir. HR, head HR, CEO, a technical round, everything was done. After 2 days they gave me offer.
Fantastic. Nice journey. So actually it's a battle. It's not happen easily actually.
Yes sir. It took so much time, and what I suggest is coming to TBN, first you'll get a lot of knowledge about networks. You can play with networking, really. Sir said that only. If you get into networks, you'll enjoy doing job as a network engineer. For better knowledge, no one will provide this kind of labs and everything. There are so many institutes, but I did not get to see like people doing labs, and students are getting the
Practical knowledge.
practical knowledge by they can access to the devices, and no other institute is giving this much of setups and all. So for main if you want to get knowledge in networking, I suggest that TBN is the best part for freshers, experienced candidates also. For career gap also, I'm a career gap student only. I got the
So
job.
you're talking
Never
about the
lose
TBN
hope also. Never lose hope. I almost felt like this would not happen, but after coming to TBN, I was not praising TBN. Myself, I'm telling that because of TBN and this team, I'm here now.
Thank you for acknowledging. And I think I know she got after training, right? She got a call from TCS actually, right?
Yes, I gave TCS interview, so
yeah.
many companies.
Yeah. So she.
I did not get offer. That also, I did not get any other calls and all. And finally, now I received offer letter. Now also I'm getting calls.
So patience is
after
the
that.
key, right?
Yeah. Yes. We should
Patience is
not lose hope. We should have confidence on ourselves.
Yeah.
How much you will wait, that much you will go higher. And when I came first day, sir said one word that made me more motivated. Like you will not choose the destiny really chooses you. This was the main thing I just kept in my heart, and this is that thing happened to me right now.
I strongly believe that అన్ని అనుకున్నట్టు చేస్తే మనది హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్ ఎందుకు అవుతుంది
Yes.
అన్నా సో ద డెస్టినీ విల్ చూస్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ రిటర్న్ డూ యువర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ దట్స్ ఇట్ డూ యువర్ బెస్ట్ అండ్ ఐ సీ సో మెనీ ప్యాషనేటెడ్ పీపుల్ హియర్ ఎస్పెషలీ ఉమెన్స్ అండ్ మెన్స్ ఐ మెట్ two more persons today and that girl and lot of people are here and different branches also. All the best to everyone, and thank you so much, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions, and valuable success story, and it sounds like more TBN employee, and it's great to see those kind of words from you, and thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you so
in
much, sir.
future also, in case if you have
I'll definitely come.
come regularly.
If I have any
Yeah.
doubts, I'll come here
Yeah,
and
you
I'll
know,
learn.
these guys are here only.
Yeah, sure.
It's a permanent access, you know, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hope you already activated your account.
Yes,
in
yes.
new.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
Proud of you, ma.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you and all the very best.
Thank you,
So
sir.
you do you know parents know this thing?
Yes, sir.
I know her battle actually. It's okay.
అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టెల్ దట్ అంటే ఇంట్లో అందరూ ప్రెజర్ చేస్తారు, పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ప్రెజర్ చేస్తారు, ఏంటి ఏం చేస్తున్నా ఇంకా రావట్లేదు, చదువుతున్నావు అయినా ఏం ప్రోగ్రెస్ కనిపించట్లేదు అని అందరూ అంటారు. ఏంటి ఇంకా రావట్లేదు, ఎంత చేసినా ఏం రావట్లేదు, ఎందుకు ఇలా అవుతుంది అని అంటారు. మీరు వాళ్ళ వర్డ్స్ విన్నారనుకోండి, మీరు డిమోటివేట్ అయిపోతారు. వాళ్ళు అంటారు ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా బాధ ఉంటుంది, కానీ వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియదు, వాళ్ళు కోపం రూపంలో చూపించేస్తారు. సో మీరు డిమోటివేట్ అవ్వి లో అవ్వకుండా ఎలా అన్నా చేస్తాము అని మిమ్మల్ని మీరు నమ్ముకోండి. వన్ డే వాళ్ళే మిమ్మల్ని చూసి చాలా ప్రౌడ్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే.
You have to believe yourself. Yeah. So you know what you're doing, right? So what exactly you're doing, how much hard work you're doing, you know about yourself only. No one knows, right? So believe in yourself and try hard. Things will happen. So destiny will choose you. Okay. Thank you once again, ma.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the very best.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir.